Today I'm going to share a delicious mushroom recipe, crispy on the outside and soft inside, and the best part of the recipe, I'm going to pan fry it. So without delay, let's start cooking. So I've taken mushrooms. These are fresh mushrooms. I've cleaned them well and only removed the top part a little bit. That's it. So my mushrooms are ready. Now to that I'm adding Kashmiri Chilli Powder, next Dhania Powder, Jeera Powder, fennel seeds. I've coarsely crushed them and I'm adding them, garam masala powder, corn flour. Now I'm mixing them well. Now you can add coriander leaves, and if you have mint leaves you can even finely chop and add them. Now to sesame oil I am adding green chilies, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste. You can also use freshly crushed ginger and garlic. Mix it well so that the oil is infused with these flavors. So the oil is ready. Now I am pouring it over the mushrooms. And I am mixing it well to coat every mushroom nicely with the spices and the flour. So now they are ready. Final touches, I am adding some turmeric powder and salt. Add salt just before you are going to pan fry the mushrooms. Now grease a pan and then add the mushrooms. Cook over low flame for the first few minutes. Do not touch the mushrooms. Let them fry on one side, then flip and cook on the other side. Mushrooms cook very fast, so within 15 minutes our mushroom 65 will be ready. Crispy coating on the outside and absolutely succulent inside. These are irresistible and so delicious, a must try. So do try out this recipe for your family and share your feedback with me. I'm sure you're going to get loads of compliments. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking! Like, comment and subscribe to Masterchefmom. Also, share this video with all your friends and family. See you. Bye.